In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening settings and hitting sound and notification right away. Then tap on this switcher next to also vibrate vocals to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. When you're ready, scroll down. Then click on Other Sounds and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to enable or disable haptic feedback for screen touches. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!